Hey everybody, welcome back to Random Recess. Chris in a bed here.
We're super excited to show you around the Dolphin Hotel and Resort. It's part of the Swan and Dolphin, which is between EPCOT and Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, it's within the Disney bubble. It's a good neighbor hotel, so it's not really owned by Disney, but you get a lot of the same perks as if you stayed at a deluxe resort. So let's show you around. We have a room tour coming up for you and a little bit more about this awesome resort to stay at if you're coming to Disney World.
We're currently outside in the back of the Dolphin Resort. You can actually take what they call the friendship boats to Hollywood Studios and EPCOT. We're gonna go back to Hollywood Studios later so we can show you, and we've got some other footage, but it's a really convenient way to get to those two resorts. What is that? We just got sprayed?
Oh, are they cleaning up there?
I don't know. Hey, you never know what you're gonna expect at the Dolphin. But yeah, it's a quick 15-minute walk to both parks, which was really not that bad. Make sure to watch our other videos from our stay here. We went to EPCOT, Hollywood Studios, and to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, so you're conveniently located on EPCOT property. Your entrance is about a 10-minute walk, and you enter through the International Gateway. So if you're staying here and you want to rope drop EPCOT, then you have a great opportunity to like hit up Remy or Frozen like right as you get in, because you're on that side of the park already. Plus, if you end the day by drinking around the world, it's easy exit out and you can just stumble home. So
Right, or just take a friendship boat home.
That's right. There are the friendship boats as well. You can walk, you can take the Skyliner over to the Boardwalk Resort. There's so many ways to get to and from the Dolphin. It's just really conveniently located.
All right, let's go inside and take a look around. We're in fuel right now. It's great for grab and go, for breakfast, coffee. We're getting some Powerades just to, well, refuel.
Yeah, it's a nice little spot. They open super early too, so if you're an early riser and you want some coffee, come down here and get some coffee. They have some froyo,
That's got wine.
mango sandwiches.
They've got wine and beer, like a huge selection.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Canned cocktails, yeah. Did you feel inclined? They also have a candy bar.
Oh, hey there. Come on in. Like the old MTV Crib style. Welcome to our room at the Dolphin. We're just gonna give you a brief tour. It's not a lot to this room, but it's definitely serviceable for a vacation. So starting off, when you walk in, you have a pretty good sized closet here. As you can see, we're definitely using it. You have a robe, ironing board. You even get a safe. There's a safe in here, as well as an iron in case you want to iron on vacation. And yeah, enough storage space to keep your luggage, and they also provide hangers. So it's always a good sign when the hanger comes off the rack. If you know, you know. But yeah, so that's the closet. And moving on, you have a nice little vanity area here with a coffee maker. That's always nice to have a coffee maker. We don't really use it, but I know a lot of people love coffee in the morning. And then ice bucket, your bottles of water, glasses, and cups in case you need those. Going into the bathroom here. Yep, it's pretty, standard. You have the one sink, plenty of towels, hair dryer. They offer, the normal amenities that come with a hotel room, right? Especially Marriott: shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, soap. And as with most Disney resorts, you'll see this like separation of toilet and shower with the sink. And I think that's if you have a family, someone can be getting ready in the morning and someone can be going to the bathroom or taking a shower, and you're not getting in each other's way. So you can definitely tell this floor plan is based around Disney vacations and families, right? Coming into the bathroom here, just a normal water closet with a stand-up shower and a toilet there. So nothing super special, but it gets the job done. Coming into the main space, you have a pretty decent sized TV here. Chest of drawers. You have 4 big drawers that you can put all of your clothes in. So I know a bed's already unpacked in there. And it also comes with a mini fridge. And it's not a mini bar, it's just a full empty mini fridge with some waters in there. So, you know, perfect if you have any leftovers that you bring home from the restaurants you go to. If you come home from dinner and you want to store them in here for a little late night snack. I don't know, some people like to keep leftovers, so you have that there. King size bed. It's pretty comfortable. Gotten some pretty good night's sleep, so can't complain about that. Full length mirror over there right by the bed, and welcome addition. You always like to see plugs by the bed, right, on the lamp. So they have plenty of plugins, USB plugins, as well as normal AC adapter plugins for any of your charging needs. I always love it when hotels have it by the bed. You have a nice little sitting area here, a little desk. Obviously, excuse the mess. We've been doing some editing and stuff on here for the trip, but yeah, it gets the job done. It's a nice little desk. You have a nice little two-seater couch here as well. And then here's our view. The pièce de résistance, if you will. You actually have a pretty decent view. You can see across to the pool and the beach area over there. I believe that's the Yacht and Beach Club, maybe. I'm not totally sure, but you can also see Hollywood Studios, which is really neat at night. Of course, when they light it all up, you can see Hollywood Studios and the Tower of Terror over there. So, yeah, that's the room. Like I said, not a whole lot to it, but it's been comfortable, gets the job done. Abed and I really don't use the hotel room a whole lot when we're on vacation. We really just use it as a place to sleep. So if you're like us, then definitely consider the Swan and Dolphin, because the location is absolutely perfect. I will say, you know, one negative, if you're looking for a Disney themed hotel, this is not it, right? This is not it. And if you're looking to stay closer to the Magic Kingdom, you know, maybe consider those resorts over on that side, because it is a little bit of a hike over there and drive. So, you know, things to consider, but the price point really can't be beat. I think it cost us like maybe like what, $220 a night, which is outrageously cheap for Disney prices, if you know, and you get a lot of the amenities of a deluxe resort. So, you know, deluxe resorts can run you $500, $600, $700, $800 a night here, and the Swan and Dolphin way cheaper than that. And you get a lot of the perks, right? You get early park access, you get extended hours, you also get the ability to book individual lightning lanes at 7 a.m. So it has its pluses for sure, and we've really enjoyed staying here, like I said. So, you know, there we go. There's the room. Hope you guys like it.